In today's ever-changing world, companies are facing many new challenges. Systems and applications quickly become outdated and overcomplicated, creating inefficiencies in the process and confusion for the team. With PLM for component manufacturers, you are able to meet the needs of your team, increase efficiencies, protect margins, all while meeting your growing customer demands. Utilize built-in program and project management tools to streamline projects and centralize data. By using PLM for component manufacturers, you are able to see project documents, CAD data, and workflow information in one convenient place. Having one central hub of information will enable your engineers and users to easily communicate and convey information. Decrease your time to market by utilizing the added data reusability feature built into the solution. Projects, CAD data, and manufacturing plans can easily be reused and edited to fit your current project goals. Break down silos between your design and manufacturing engineers by utilizing work packages to detail out manufacturing plans and information. PLM for component manufacturers is here to elevate your company to the next level by providing you with a complete solution that meets your needs and scales as the company grows.